In this video today, we are going to be downloading some fonts and then we are going to upload them into the Fontcloud and we are going to upload fonts into Canva and we are going to upload fonts onto the computer so that you can use them in other things that you use, such as your Cricut design space or anything else that you work with on your computer. So we'll be using a Word document for that so that you can see them. So I am going to start in my Creative Fabrica. I will have a link below for this. They do have daily specials, so if you daily free gifts, and so I will have that link below. And if you click on that link, you can find fun fonts like this. I'm going to start with this Starlight font. So I'm going to download that. So I just hit download here. Now it's going to come up and I'm going to extract these files. So I'm going to hit extract all. So we'll start with this one. So now I'm going to go into my downloads, and the first thing we'll do is we will put it on this computer that I am working on. So we're going to use the open type font, OTF, and then you have the true type font, TTF. That is an older version. So I want to open the true type font, and then you just hit install. That's it. So you hit install. So now let's go to our Word document here. Oh, I got to remember what this was called, Starlight. Okay, so now we will do, we'll just hit some text here. We'll insert some word art here, and we'll just write my name here. Now I will highlight that and I will go and I will find that Starlight font. So you go home and wait, where is it? I thought it was on, oh, here it is, yeah. And we're gonna look for that Starlight. We'll go to S here, see if it's in here or if I have to restart my Word. PQR, getting there. I have a lot of fonts. I've uploaded a lot. ST Starlight. There it is, right there. And you can see now that we have that font in here. I'll make it bigger so that you can see it. And that is how you install it on your computer. Now, if you are using something like Cricut Design Space, you do have to close the Cricut Design Space and reopen it again. So now what we'll do is we'll go to my Canva account here and I will add I'm just doing a plain 3x3 design here. So I'm going to add a text box here in Canva. I do have Canva Pro. So now I'm going, the text is highlighted here. So I'm going to go up here where it says Canva Sans, and I'm going to click on that. And then right here, it says upload a font. So now I'm going to go to that font here in my downloads again. And again, I'm using the OTF open type font. And yes, we have permission to use this. So let's bring this font in. And let's go find it here. You can see the fonts that I've uploaded from Creative Fabrica right here. It says uploaded fonts. And so I'll go to Starlight, go to PQRS. Where are you? Keep going. There we go. Right there, Starlight. So here we go. So I'll change this to my name so that you can see it. And I'll make it bigger here. All right, you see how easy that is to upload a font. We are going to upload some other fonts though too, because I want you to see how to use the swooshes and some of those things like that as well. So I'm going to add a page here, and I'm just going to show you something here from Canva. So I'm going to go into elements and I'll just add this flower here. I just want to show you how you can change the color of your font here. So highlight it and then go right here to color, text color. And then you can see from those flowers that I brought in, how it brought this beautiful color palette in here so that you can change that to whatever you want. So let's do that again. So we'll add a page and I'll just go into elements and I'll search New Year. see, because it's the new year. So let's bring in, whoops, bring in, let's just pull in this 2025 here. And now I'll go back up to my name here and I'll highlight it and see if we can do that again. And there is the color palette for that as well. So then you can pick out one of the colors out of there. So that's a good way for you when you're designing something to use the exact color. All right, so now I also thought this Joyful font bundle was pretty because it's got some nice swooshes in here, and we might go find some others too. But let's get this downloaded. I don't have this one downloaded yet. So here I hit download, and here it is. And lots of things in there. It is a big font bundle. So let's see what we can find here. I want to find one that's got those glyphs in there, swooshes and glyphs. So here's a font duo. Let's do that. So you'll see how it says Kalisha font duo. So that means it's got two different types. It's got the sans and the script. So let's go to the open type font here and see what it looks like. Very cute. So I'll install it on my computer here. It's installing. And now I will go and do the same thing for, excuse me, I'll go here for the script. Very cute. And I'll install that. I don't know if this one has any glyphs though, without looking at it. So what I'll do now is, so this is Kalisha script. So now we're going to go into Creative Fabrica, and you just go right here under Tools, and you go to Fontcloud right here, and we will upload that font. So I'm going to go open Fontcloud. And I will see if I can find that same font to upload. Let's go back to our downloads here. Did I not unzip this one yet? I have to unzip it first. So let's get that unzipped. Joyful here, extract all, get that unzipped. All right, so now we can go browse, and we'll go back to our downloads, and I'll go to the Joyful font, and it was this Kalisha font duo. So let's get the sans uploaded, and I'm going to see if I can upload both of them at the same time here. Here we go. Open, and here we go. Let's see what we get. It's uploading these fonts here. So here it comes. Here it is. So Kalisha San, which is going to be just plain letters here. Let's just wait for this to finish loading. This will get script while it's waiting. Yep, that one's still loading too. So we'll give that a second to load. And then I'm going to go back into that Joyful script download bundle here. And I'm going to see another one. See what else we have here. Let's do Baby Valentina. I know that one's got some real pretty glyphs in it. So we'll upload that here too. So let's upload that too. Go back up one. Baby, right here, Valentina. So let's get this, and we'll go to open type font, and we're going to get that uploaded here. All right. So let's see if we can, oh, here's a Kalisha script. So let's see if this has got any swooshes. No, not really. So let's go back to, what was it called here? I want to make sure that I get the right one here. Oh yeah, Baby Valentina, that's right. All right, so we'll go back into Fontcloud and we'll look for Baby Valentina right here. So let's look here, look at the glyphs. So you can see right there, aren't they cute at the end of these and at the beginning? So now let's go back into our, go into our Canva here, and I will add a page here, and I will pull in another text box, and I'll just type my name again. Cindy, and then I'll type in New Year because it is a new year today when I'm making this. So welcome to 2025. All right, so let's make this a little bit smaller. And now I want to upload that baby Valentina here too. So we'll go to upload a font and we're going to find that baby cat right here, baby Valentina, and I'm going to open it here. Now this is not going to bring in all of the swooshes, but I'm going to show you how to get those glyphs in here. So let's change this here to baby Valentina. It's nice that it's at the beginning, baby Valentina regular. Here we go. So now we're going to go back to our font cloud here, and we're going to go to this baby Valentina. Got to get my recording there. So I'll do the, see if there's a C and a Y in there. So let's go back to the font cloud now. All right, capital C. Well, let's start with the Y. So you just find the letter that you're looking for. So right here, Y, all you do is click on it, and then you see it says character copied to clipboard. So now I'm going to go back into my Canva, and I hit my Y here, and I'm just going to backspace that, and I'm going to hit Control V, and that's going to pull that in. Did you see that? Let's try it again, see what it has for the R here for year. R right here. You just click it, it copies it to the clipboard. Then you go back into the Canva here and just backspace that R, Control V, you just paste it back in. Isn't that sweet? And then again, you can change the color on this the same way that we did before. You can find a different color choice for that. So now you know how to use that in the font cloud. So let's go back here and see what else we can find. So we can also find another font here. Let's go back into our fonts here that we downloaded. Get into downloads here, and we'll go to this joyful bundle again, and we'll do one more download and upload. Let's see. I really don't know what any of these are. I didn't look at them ahead of time. Let's try this Marlene. All right, so we've got the sand and the script. Let's see what it looks like. That's a pretty plain one, but let's just install this on the computer. You just hit install. And again, that was the open type font. So the OTF, and then I'm going to put the sand on there as well. Now this is installing it on my laptop. So you just open it and hit install, and it will install it on your laptop so that you can use it in anything that you want. What was this one called? Marlene. So now we'll go into our word here, and I will add another word art here, and I'll just type something else here. Let me just do wrap and through here so I can move it. Get this moved out so that we can see it. And we will call this one New Year. All right. And I will highlight this now, and we'll find that Marlene here. So you go to home, and right here, let's see. Go down, down, down. And Marlene, right there. Marlene script and Marlene Sands. It's super simple to do. So now you see how that works. So let's try and change our, go back into our Canva here. And what was this one called? Baby Valentina. So you see how easy that is to do. So let's add a page now, and we will upload another font. So you just, again, hit the text box, and it came in at the Baby Valentina. So you can click on that and then hit upload a font, and we will find another font here to upload. And we will do, let's see, anything really. Let's get something at the top so we don't have so far to look. Argentina. Okay, so we'll do open type font, and we'll get that uploaded here. Let's see. right here. Oh, that's pretty. Argentina regular. Argentina script. Nice. That's a beautiful text. So let me just pull this out and I'll change this to my name so that you can see it. Very pretty. So anyway, I just wanted to make a short video because I'm on vacation and I don't have access to my presses here. So I thought I would just do a quick video to show you how to download and upload fonts to use. So again, see the link below for Creative Fabrica, and I hope you all are having a very happy new year. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see links below.